Hi, my name is John. I'm with PlumbSmart, and today we installed a indoor air quality product made by RGF called the REME HALO. What it is a indoor air purifier for your whole entire home. So it goes inside of the air duct system inside your home, and then every time that your air conditioning system turns on, what this system is doing is producing hydrogen peroxide essentially to the home. So I always compare it to a cut. When you have a cut, you want to first treat that cut with some type of hydrogen peroxide and kill the viruses. This product is 99% effective at killing viruses, so that's essentially what the hydrogen peroxide is doing. After that, it's ionizing the air. So what that does is essentially make large or small dust particles very large, so that way when your system is running, it's sucked through the air filter and caught there and not inside of your body. Very effective for people that have allergies. It definitely reduces the side effects from having allergies. Definitely reduces bacteria, virus, mold spores, and a lot of times we use it as a treatment for after cleaning. So a lot of times when we're installing this product, it's either on a new system installation or on a preventative maintenance call where, let's say, maybe we've cleaned out the system and had a lot of dirt and debris inside of it, so we would install this product afterwards to help treat the dust and dander problem that maybe the customer may be experiencing. Very, very effective, very good product. I totally recommend it to anyone. I myself have used indoor air quality products. They also help reduce odors inside the home, cooking odors, pets, things like that. So in my experience, it's been very effective at doing that. But other than that, this is a great product. I recommend it to everybody, especially here living in Arizona where we're susceptible to dirt and dander. Thanks for watching the video. My name is John. I'm with PlumbSmart. Have a great day.